Stop renovating your house to get top dollar. Let me tell you about money in a can. Today's buyers are paying top dollar, and they expect neat and clean and move-in ready before shelling out the big bucks. My stager calls paint money in a can. Let's see why. Colors that wow. Imagine your home like a giant coloring book. When you use fresh paint on the outside, it makes your house look super inviting. People passing by will say, wow, that looks awesome. It's like giving your home a big happy hug. Colors that make people happy. Now, let's talk about the colors inside. Painting inside with cool colors makes everyone feel good. Colors like white, gray, and beige are like a blank canvas, and that means the next owners can add their own custom colors and make it feel just right for them. Show off the good stuff. Your home has cool features like fancy trims or special designs. Fresh paint helps show off these amazing things. It's like putting a spotlight on the coolest parts of your house. Fixing up inside. Inside your home, fresh paint can fix things up. If there are marks or old colors that look boring, a new coat of paint makes everything look brand new. It's like giving your home a superhero makeover. Make your home worth more. When your home looks awesome, people think it's worth more money. That's pretty cool, right? So when you go to sell your house, you might get more money for it because it looks so amazing with fresh paint. Sell faster and happy times. Here's the best part. When your home looks fantastic, it sells faster. That means you can move on to new adventures more quickly. More happy times and less waiting around. In the end, paint is like money in a can for your home. It makes everything look neat, clean, and new. So if you're ready to sell your house, grab a can of magic paint and get ready to rake in some cash. I'm Hope George, your best hope in real estate.